Good morning to all of you. Today we will start our first topic of first unit, that is bacteria. First of all, Louis Pasteur discovered a small organism that is known as mycoplasms and PPLO. It is smaller than the bacteria because it is able to cross even filter papers, but bacteria is not able to cross filter paper. PPLO means the pleuropneumonia-like organisms because it is responsible for a disease that is known as pleuropneumonia. It is mainly found in the cattles. Louis Pasteur discovered this bacteria by using the electron microscope, and it is also known as the MLO, यानी कि mycoplasms like organism. There are the few characteristics of mycoplasms. First, it is smaller size, which ranges from the 0 to 1 microns and can pass through the filter papers. It contains only the electron microscope. It able to grow on the non-living medium. Internal organizations of mycoplasm is very much similar to the bacteria. It bears the plasma membranes, ribosomes, and complete protein synthetic machinery. Nucleus is not well developed and not covered by the nuclear envelope. It consists with the 40 different type of the enzyme which are responsible to perform metabolic activity of mycoplasm. It is non-motile, gram-negative, and contain DNA and RNA as a genetic material. Initially, the history of mycoplasm. Initially, the plant by pathologist reported the disease under the yellow group of virus is caused by the mycoplasm in Japan. And they also found the different characters which are very similar to the viral characteristics. After that, in 1998, two another scientists, that is Nocard and Rocks, also found the size of mycoplasm was very much similar to the virus, and its disease character is also similar to the virus, and it is also able to grow on the artificial culture media. जैसे कि हम प्लांट टिश्यू कल्चर में प्लांट्स को ग्रो करवाते हैं आर्टिफिशियल कल्चर मीडिया में, वैसे ही हम बैक्टीरिया को भी ग्रो कराते हैं. बट हमारे वायरस जो होते हैं दे कैन ग्रो ओनली इनसाइड ऑफ द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स, but mycoplasm is able to grow onto the artificial medium, but their disease symptoms similar to the viral character. That's why mycoplasm is very much similar to the bacteria, but these are responsible for the जैसे yellow mosaic virus, yellow veins disease in the plants. After that, mycoplasm has been isolated in the pure culture mediums containing sterols from insect, infected plants and mammals suffering from the money disease. Some examples of disease like the little leaf of brinjals, sandal spikes, citrus greening, grassy root of sugar canes, rice yellow dwarf, cotton stenosis, and Sysmanium phylloides. Phylloides मतलब the size of leaf and number of leaf is increase. The shape. Mycoplasms varies in the shape. Spherical form has the size ranges from 80 to 115 microns. Paleomorphic forms. Paleomorphic forms मतलब the bacteria able to change their shape is known as the paleomorphic form. It ranges from the 210 to 435 micron. In this type, filamentous and branches form also reported. मेनली इसकी जो शेप होती है वो डिफरेंट टाइप्स की होती हैं. स्पेरिकल फॉर्म में भी मिलता है जिसमें इसका साइज इस रेंज तक होता है 80 टू 150, बट कुछ केसेस में फिलामेंटस फॉर्म में भी मिलता है. ब्रांच होती है उस केस में इसका साइज 210 टू 435 माइक्रोन तक मिल सकता है. रिप्रोडक्शन. इट मेनली रिप्रोड्यूस बाय द बडिंग एंड बाइनरी फ्यूजन. इट मीन्स इट शो मेनली द एसेक्सुअल मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन. देन पैथोजेनेसिस. पैथोजेनेसिस मतलब किस तरह की बीमारी ये कोज करता है. पैथोजेनिक माइकोप्लाज्म अफेक्ट द रेस्पिरेटरी organs, central nervous system, cardiovascular system, and urogenital system of human being. Mycoplasms plasma humensis cause the pleuropneumonia, inflammation of genitals, protitis in human being. Mycoplasm mycoids causing the pleuropneumonia in cattle. Mycoplasms agalactia causes the agalactia in the sheep and goats. उसके साथ साथ इन प्लांट्स दीज आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर वेरियस डिजीज लाइक द बंची टॉप ऑफ banana, big bud of tomato, yellow dwarf of tomato, cloud dwarf of tomato, little leaf disease of brinjals.